Hello, and thanks for signing up with Vonage for Home. This video will show you how to set up your new Vonage box in just a few easy steps. Let's review exactly what you'll need. Before we get started, first, you'll need a high-speed internet connection, such as DSL or cable. This video is for people who connect their computer to a router for internet access. A router is a small box that connects directly to your high-speed modem. There are many brands of routers, so yours may look different than our example. Some have antenna for wireless connections, and all routers have a series of small ports on the back. We're going to use one of these Ethernet ports to connect your Vonage for Home box. If you don't use a router, please watch our video, Installation Without a Router. Second, you'll need an active Vonage account. If you don't have an active account, you may sign up for one at vonageforhome.com. Next, you'll need your Vonage box, its power cord, and the blue Ethernet cable that came with it. And of course, you'll need your phone and phone cord. Before we start disconnecting any cables, let's check to make sure your internet connection is up and running. Using your computer's web browser, open up a separate window or tab so you don't lose this video, and type in vonageforhome.com. If you can see our website, then your internet connection is active. Great! Let's continue. As I mentioned earlier, most routers will have a series of Ethernet ports on the back. Please look and make sure there is at least one available port. Now, take the blue Ethernet cable included with your Vonage box and connect it to the blue Ethernet port on the back of the Vonage box. Take the other end of the cable and insert it into the available port on your router. Next, connect the power cord to the Vonage box. Once the box has power, the power light will blink on and off in several sequences. Once the Phone 1 icon on the Vonage box lights up blue, connect the phone cord from your phone to the green port marked 1 on the back of the Vonage box. Pick up the receiver, listen for a dial tone, and you're done. Congratulations! You're up and running, and you can start using Vonage for crystal clear, affordable, and reliable phone service. Thank you for watching this video. To see more of our tutorials, go to support.vonage.com.